Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into two of my favorite Apple shortcuts that I use almost daily. These shortcuts are so handy and can really streamline your iPhone experience. Let's start with the first one. Noise cancellation for AirPods Pro. I'm a huge fan of AirPods Pro, and one of my most used shortcuts is a one-tap solution for activating noise cancellation. This is especially useful when you're constantly switching between transparency and noise cancellation modes. With this shortcut, you can simply swipe to open Control Center and tap the noise cancellation button. It's a game changer because it eliminates the need to think about which mode you're in or go through multiple steps. It's a small but significant improvement in my daily routine. What makes this shortcut even cooler is its versatility. It works with any AirPods model that supports active noise cancellation, so you can customize it to your preferences. I've shared the shortcut in the description. And remember to replace my AirPods with your own. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance your listening experience. Now let's move on to the second shortcut. Open app settings with a single tap. Apple's redesign of the Settings app in iOS 18 made it a bit more challenging to access app settings. But thanks to a brilliant shortcut by Quinn Nelson, we can easily navigate to app settings with just one tap. This shortcut is a game changer because it eliminates the need to leave the app you're currently using and manually navigate through multiple menus. It's a simple setup process, and the shortcut is incredibly intuitive. The key idea here is that 99% of the time, when you want to access an app settings, you're already within that app. So why not just invoke Control Center and tap the app settings shortcut? It's a seamless and efficient way to manage your apps without any hassle. I hope you found these shortcuts useful and enjoyed my commentary. Let me know in the comments if you have any favorite Apple shortcuts of your own. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. See you next time.